Well, hi, my name is Phil Smith. I'm Chief Exec of Cisco in the UK and Ireland. Cisco is the worldwide leader in networking for the internet and for businesses, and has been really for the last 25 years. Very interesting company, really pushing the way we move, work, live, learn and play. And actually we're really proud this year to be sponsors of the Olympic Games. So we're actually seeing London 2012 as a crucial part of enabling the world, the UK and the Olympics. Well, the internet has had a massive effect in business over the last 10 years. I mean, if you think back 10 years as to what we expected in the way of connectivity, it was pretty minimal, to be quite honest. Businesses had it. Yes, the internet was evolving, but nowadays it's just an expectation. We always expect to be connected. And if you think of that from your personal life perspective, just think about a business. If a business is not connected nowadays, in many cases it doesn't run at all. So it's become really the fabric of everything. We talk about it changing the way you work, live, learn and play. It genuinely has, over the last 10 years, changed the way we do everything to do with work, everything to do with the way we learn, everything to do with the way we play. It's absolutely amazing. And I think that change is so fundamental that it's actually really improved the productivity and effectiveness of many, many businesses. Well, I think over the next few years, it's a very exciting time for growth and change in the internet. I think we're going to see a lot more mobility, people moving around in work and in normal use. I think we're going to see lots more video, and we're going to see lots more of what's termed generally in the market these days as BYOD, or bring your own device. Huge amounts of change in there. I mean, we actually see mobile-based video doubling every year over the next 5 years and being something like 71% of all traffic on mobile networks by 2016. I mean, that is a gigantic change. And I think that mobility, alongside video and its ability to transform and make things more accessible, is a big change. Do that on your own devices, your iPads, your Android devices, your CS tablets and so on. You've got a whole change going on in the world. Well, I think it's great to come back and present Internet World this year, because it's a place where decision makers, developers, technologists and users get together and discuss issues that are really very interesting in that convergence point of digital, of content, of ICT, which is, something like £100 billion market, I think, in the UK alone. So it's a very exciting time, and I think this particular place allows us to come together to share ideas, to share best practice, and to really look at what the trends are going to be over the next few years. Well, my keynote Internet World is going to be called Building a Brilliant Future. And the reason we say that is because actually we've got a lot to celebrate looking back about what the internet has done to change our lives. But actually I think looking forward, it really does have the opportunity to change companies, to change countries, and actually to change the world. And I think if we can harness that opportunity by building innovation and productivity, if we can build a different way of doing things, then we can really have an amazing effect over the next few years. So I'm going to look at the way we do that, how we can inspire both our people, but organizations throughout the world to actually make changes which will be really beneficial to growth, to productivity, and really to the future. Well, I think the key takeaways from the presentation should be that there are continuously transitions happening in the market. Those transitions are opportunities. And I think our opportunity is to help companies engage in the market, engage with technology for their benefit, and without giving too much away, some opportunities maybe for smaller digital businesses to engage with Cisco, and I think drive benefit for themselves and for the country. For me, Internet World is a unique opportunity to get the right sorts of people together to talk about the right things to really drive business for the future.